I'm going to show you how to check your drivers. I had a person ask me a question. Um, she's saying her screen is flickering off and on. And the first thing I would do is check the drivers first to see if anything's wrong. If it's a laptop or a desktop, you will have to replace the whole motherboard, or it could be the LED screen. Desktop, it could be your onboard video card, or it could be you could just need to buy a video card itself. But first things first, always check your drivers to make sure everything's working right. Other than that, I'm going to show you how to do it on Windows 7 and Windows 8 to check your drivers. So give me a quick second and I'll show you right now. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is show you guys on Windows 7. So basically what you want to do is go down to your little start button right here. Click on it, go to computer, right click, and then you're going to want to go down to properties. Now once the screen pops up, it gives you general information, what kind of processor you have, what operating system you're running, how many gigs of RAM you have in your computer. After that, you go to Disk Manager. And another screen will pop up. Don't be alarmed. So what you're going to want to look for is display adapters. That's where you're going to find your video drivers and is going to be at. So you click on it and you right click again. You could go to properties right here and go ahead and hit update. FYI, never download Windows 10. Worst operating system ever. So basically you update the drivers. If it doesn't give you an option to update, it could be because the driver has a couple bugs, so you could roll back the driver to the previous driver. And sometimes it'll work, sometimes it won't. So go ahead and tinker with that, and your computer will automatically update and give you the newest driver, and if it works better. Now I'm going to pause this video and show you guys on Windows 8. Alright, I'm back showing you guys on Windows 8. This is totally Windows 8. You can tell by going to the right corner and you get this screen pop up right here. So, alright, so because now I'm on Windows 8, I make a couple shortcuts for me. So this way it makes it easier for me to get to the places I need to. So right here where it says Disk PC, that's a shortcut I put on. The way you do that is just make sure you hit desktop when you see this screen. It's right here. Mine is right here, so I just hit the desktop and it just pops up to this screen. So once you're at the desktop, you go to personalize. And I gotta make this bigger. So now it's bigger. And to add that icon on there, you go to change desktop icons. And then where it says computer, make sure it's click and hit apply. You could put the control panel, you could put users, files, networks, whatever you want on there. It will look like this. So once you have that all set up, or if you like, I like how my desktop looks like. So basically you could go right here, go to the search right here, type in computer, and there's going to be Disk PC. So on either one you could right click it, go to properties, same thing as Windows 7. The screen will pop up again. Now go to device manager. And then you're going to want to look for display adapters again, like I said. And like because mine's a higher end computer, I have 2 video cards in it. So you could go to either, if you have one, just go to that main one and update drivers, like I said. If you have the latest driver but you still having that glitchy screen, go ahead and roll it back, see if that works. Now if that doesn't work, like I said, if you have a laptop, then It could be the LED screen on the back. So basically, the chance is up to you. You have to dismantle it and order the new LED screen. Um, or it could be the motherboard, and you will have to replace the whole motherboard. But you do not have to replace the hard drive, the RAM, the CPU. You just have to buy thermal paste for the CPU. Any other questions? Feel free to comment below. Yeah, and you have a great night.